All right, rapid fire round with Amche Mix Magic. First, we'll start with Joel. Instrument of choice if you couldn't play yours. Instrument वाजतात पहिलं.
हय
Okay, huncho.
गिटार
Okay, and to na जाल्या आणि huncho.
कीबोर्ड
Okay, all right. First concert you ever went to.
फर्स्ट कॉन्सर्ट दॅट इज ऑक्टोबरफेस्ट
Okay, all right. Okay, practice or just perform it. Choose.
परफॉर्म
All right. Okay. Ansley, are you ready?
Yes.
Most played song on your phone right now.
Disco Nazo.
Okay. If I ask you pineapple on pizza, yes or no?
No.
No. Naka. Okay. Who in the band makes you laugh the most?
Faisal.
Okay. Sandy, are you ready? What's your least favorite song to play live?
Rosanna, Toto.
All right. Okay. Most annoying thing about touring.
Main thing is tiredness.
Okay.
Any
All
sleep.
right. Okay. Favorite lyric? Have you written any?
No.
Nah. So favorite kind na. Okay. Aaron, if you quit the band tomorrow, what job would you do?
I'm an accountant.
Okay. Album you can play front to back, no skips. Huncho?
Song?
Yeah.
Hotel California.
Okay. Any chorus you are most proud of? Huncho ye chorus. Like that.
आमचं
Disco Nazo. I knew that. All right, Faisal. Overrated band everyone loves, but you don't get.
Toto.
Underrated band more people should hear.
Toto.
Okay. तुझी एक disadvantage.
It's okay.
All right, okay. Now choose. It's random question for all, okay? This or that. Studio or stage? Stage. All agree?
Yes.
Okay. Night owl or early sound check?
Night off.
Festival slot or headlining club gig?
फेस्टिवल्स
Fame or respect?
रिस्पेक्ट
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Weirdest fan interaction? कोण आहा?
वियर्डस्ट वेड इंटरॅक्शन एक पार्टी इसको जालो हा लायक कोण फोटोज काड पाहिलो हाय
Okay.
आणि आम इसको स्वेटी हाय आणि ती इसको लायक हें जाता लायक ओके पयसो जाय
पण still photo गेलो.
फोटो जायो थँक्स जायो
All right. Okay. Song stuck in your head this week. तेच म्हणणार का disco नाचत?
रिवेड इसको नाचतो
Okay. One word your bandmates would use to roast you. Okay. Tell me something. What is in Sander's pocket right now?
सांग बरे.
ऍक्टिवा की
हात बडे. Okay. Now, be honest. Rate your instruments.
10.
Sure? Agree?
10.
You.
10.
For me it's 10.
Now you.
I would love to give it 10 because मा खबर हा मुगे
Okay.
इंस्ट्रूमेंट कितको हा ते
All right.
that is my mic